Model, 2021 Peugeot Partner Professional L1 1.5 HDI non-runner engine Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 104,245. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized check mark. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy.